Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project employee administration system, and I have developed this project in uh, React, Spring Boot and MySQL. So Spring Boot version I am using 2.1.6 release, MySQL version is 5.6, and Node version I am using Node version 14, right, for the npm packages, right, and I am using STS Spring Boot tool suites for writing the API of a Spring Boot and Visual Studio Code for writing the React JS code. Right. So these all technologies I have used for developing this project, and the project title is Employee Administration System. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that. What are the features available inside this project? What modules are available inside this project? Right. So this is a major project which I have developed in React JS, Spring Boot and MySQL. Major project because it has two types of login: user login and admin login. You can see both of the menu here, right? So user has certain operations, user can perform certain operations, admin can perform certain operations, right? So let me go through all of the pages one by one. So once you load this project, this project will run, means React will run on the port 3000, and the API STS API will run on port 8080, right? So once you run this project, you will get this home page, right? This is the home page. This is a static about page. There is nothing dynamic on it. You can change the content directly from the React.js, right? This is the admin login. From here, admin can login, and admin can perform certain operations. This is a user login, where user can login, means employee can login, and employee can perform certain operations, right? This is a feedback. This is a feedback form, and if any user submit this form, then admin will be able to see the feedbacks of the uh, user, right? So let me go through one by one. So I am logging as an admin first. So the user id is admin@admin.com, password is test, right? So this is the admin dashboard. So admin can perform certain operations like home, about, employee administration. If you click on the employee administration, you will be able to see all of the employees which admin has added, right? And if you want to edit it, just click on the edit, and you will be able to edit the employee details, right? Okay. And then the next one is the employee administration. I already, if you want to add new employee, just click on the add new employee, and after that you will fill the form, and the details will be saved inside the database using the API. The second one is the salary administration. Here you can add the salary, means admin can add the salary, and you can see this is the salary form, and here you can see this is a big form, right? The one option is the salary upload, so you can upload the salary slip here. So here you can upload the salary slip, right, from choose file. So next, if you upload a salary slip, then you can download the salary slip from this download link, right? Even you can edit and delete the record from here. Like if I want to delete it, just click on the delete and click on the confirm, and that will be deleted from the database, right? This is the, again, the leave administration. From here you can see this is the leave. The green is approved, red is disapproved, and the orange one is the pending, right? If I want to update any leave, just click on the edit, and you can edit. So this, you can see select user and select status. This will be visible to admin only, it will not be visible to the user, right? So this is the leave administration. And had, if I click on the add new leave, then you can add the new leave also here. From here, leave administration and add new leave, you can see you can add the new leave details from here, right? So this is the last was a feedback report. So I already explained you the feedback, right? This is the website feedback, not the customer feedback, right? So if anyone submit anything on the about the website, then it will be visible to the user, and if user click on this, admin click on this, then he will be able to see the details of the feedback, right? And the last one is a logout. So this is a session driven menu, and it will be rendered according to the session. Currently admin is login, that's why these different menus are coming. If I log out, this is the non login menu. Now I am going to log in as a user. So user ID is user@user.com, and the password is test. There is invalid user ID and password, submit. So this is the employee dashboard. You can see the dashboard and the menu both has changed, because the menu and dashboard we are managing through the session. According to the session, these are rendering, right? So this is the apply leave, right? Apply leave, you can see both of the Drop downs are not displaying because employee can't approve or disapprove his leaves, right? So that's why. So reason for leaves, he will enter the reason for leaves from date to date, total days, and descriptions, right? So once he fill the form, then this will be visible to the admin, and admin can approve or disapprove the leave, right? This is the my salary. Here employee will be able to see his salary, right? And he even he can download the salary slip from here, right? Okay, the next one is a my leaves report. Here, the employee will be able to see his report, right? And after that, he will be able to uh, apply the leave. He can also apply the leave from here, right? So this one from here he can apply the leave, right? So this is the my account session. From here, user will be update his account details, right? This is the my account details. These menus which are available here also available here in the my administration section, and the last one is the logout. Once you click on the logout, then the session will be destroyed, right? So these all things I have developed inside this project, the employee administration system. As I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in ReactJS, Spring Boot, and the MySQL. And for ID I'm using STS, Spring Boot toolsuite, and the Visual Studio Code. So if you need any enhancement, any extra feature in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.